this video I'm gonna show you how to add action button in a snack bar and also how to set text color and background color. Like this, when you click the button, the action button will be appear and also the color of the background and also the color of the text will be set. Now let's do it. For this reason, we have to go there. At the first, I want to change the text color, set text color and color dot black, and after that I want to change the background color, set background tint color dot gray, and after that I want to set the action button. The first parameter or the first argument is the text. For example, I want to right click. After the second parameter is the on-click listener, view.onClick listener. Yes, and now when the user click the button, something will be appear. I wanna make post here, and I wanna write here something like hello from Android Studio. And at the end, we have to add the show. Yes, now let's see our program. Let's click the button. Yes, the background color, the text color, and also the action button will be appear here. Now let's click here. Yes, the toast message will be appear when we click the action button on the snack bar. Yes.